Hey there, welcome back to Web Unrevealed. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make subtitle in Canva videos. So first, go to Canva and then open a Canva video project. So I already opened. Now go to left panel and then click on Uploads and then click on Upload Files. After that, select your video file. Click on Open. Now just drag and drop the video. After that, on the left panel, go to Text. And then here dynamic text, just click on that. Now click on generate caption. Now it will take a few moments, and finally the subtitle generated. Just click on the subtitle. Now you can change the font style, you can change the text color, you can add effect, like if you don't want the background color you can choose by click on outline. You can change the font size, just increase the thickness, and you can position it, you can keep it anywhere. And that's how you can make subtitle on Canva videos. Hope that this video helped you out. If you found this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.